Yeah, so here we go. We realize we start the bike, and the bike, we realize the bike have less compression because when it finally start, take a while to start, you have jump the choke, more gas, more air. And when it start, you realize it go high, and if you turn on the checklist, go right down a lock off. Simple means the hole them now close up properly in the edge. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get the head remove and check on the valve them and see if them are sweat. You understand? Normally valve causing problem there. So get them here empty off. As you can see, look at them change the valve them already. Now the valve look like 2 bits, one look like 150. So realize that the knockoff valve them here. People don't buy them, they're a non-genuine valve. They don't come with a serial number on it. And when they change it, they end up like a cost you. So you see what I'm going now? It start leak instantly. So you get to realize the valve them not close up properly, so the bike can't get to chuckle. Hard to start. You understand? So get the part here wipe up and check the other valve, even though we are going to change the 2 valve and get it grind back up and things. So gas the one here. So gas one, so it have low compression. The gas one a sweat, but that's just slow. But we'll get them remove and get 2 original valve and install nice. So stay tuned. And the piston, you can see the piston cuttings, dirt and everything the pan top of it. You understand? That's it. Not dirt, cuttings. That's called carbon. You understand? Bad gas. When I say bad gas, literally mean like the 90. Now it take a while for burn because the plug now burn fast enough. So they have cuttings and them upon it. So the 90, 87. So I'm try 90 and I always make sure the plug them active. You understand? I have a new valve tonight. So don't miss it. Kaboom! I'm out. Just for that? Yeah. You want to look up? Where's the thing here?